Hey everyone, just a quick little balance to get your energies picked back up, so to raise the vibration. Here in Queensland we had one case 48 hours ago, so we've got 1 million people locked down because of one case. Nothing crazy going on at all. Trust the science. So I can feel like a low-level anxiety constantly since this happened, because for one case and then there's such a massive reaction, potentially overreaction. For the first time in Queensland, we're not allowed outside without masks, including being by ourselves, exercising, driving cars, which is against all the science at this point. So this is not about science, this is not about health. We know that, and it's really draining me, and I can just feel that anxiety really lifting. So I just wanted to do a quick little balance to, once again get that energy back up. So that 1,000 spotters up in enlightenment, it's being able to see the truth and just be at peace. So that's why I use the $9.99, $9.99. So let's get into it and see what shows up. So okay, just run that central meridian, get better energy going in there into your frontal cortex. Feel the energy increasing to the frontal cortex, allowing that serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin starting to flow. Better connection between your pituitary pineal to all those organs of the body that help to create our energy, create our love, create our peace, create our feelings of well-being. Okay, where do we need to go? Okay. First, tuning focus spleen. Spleen is about faith in the future versus anxiety of the future. It messes with what we know when the dialogue or the narrative doesn't match what we know in our hearts and souls and cells. We feel like we're living like in an alternate universe. It all feels very bizarre. So that sense of recollection isn't actually helping, because you know stuff, but what does it matter? The whole world feels like it's against you anyway. Yeah, messing with confidence. Yeah, brooding. I was feeling a little bit, the anxiety, it got really quite high before, and yeah, so I just knew I needed to do a little balance. Anyway, so that's the first one, spleen energy. So all that is just draining the energy. I don't know whether there's anything particularly going on the planet at the moment. I haven't asked that question. Okay. Second tuning focus, lung energy. Okay, so we need to increase humility, openness, intolerance. Yeah, right, feelings of being smothered. Okay. And scorn. I just shouldn't look on social media at the moment. So many people are just so abusive to anyone not wearing masks, even if they're on their own, to people who, anyway, it's just interesting, isn't it? So we'll just see where this craziness leads. Okay. So I'm stuck in a real pain and punishment circuit around this. So releasing those feelings of being punished, releasing those feelings of emotional pain, releasing that mental pain. Doesn't need to be part of your existence. We need to just raise our energy. $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99. Yeah, wanting to escape. And funnily enough, there's sort of like an area, there's like several big cities that are included in this, because of the one person shutdown, lockdown. And I could have gone to my brother's, 100 k's away. I could have gone to my mum's, 50 k's away. Could have gone out to our sister-in-law's, 70 k's away. Any of that would have been okay, but instead, it didn't occur to me to run away. But my brain, my body is in full-on lockdown, fear, threat, danger, wanting to run away, wanting to escape. Okay. I mend all energy drains in my cells. I release all traumas creating energy drains in my systems. I stop all energy drains from my aura. My energies flow uninhibited. My energies flow uninhibited. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. I am free from energy drains. 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 My energy flows uninhibited. My energy flows uninhibited. My energy flows uninhibited. 999, 999, 999. And breathe. 999, 999, 999. And breathe. 999, 999, 999. And breathe. Double check amygdala energy. It's all good. Let me check my chakras. I did the tuning forks over each one. Beautiful. Actually, I might check celestial circuits, see whether the center of gravity is in place. Okay, it's off to the right. Okay, so is it behind? Is it to the side? Is it to the front? More to the side. So centimeters, inches, feet. Oh, okay. So it's quite a way off. It's about 4 feet to the right. Need a flowering. Now need a flower essence. Because this all just happened like yesterday morning. We were having a little mini break and got a phone call from someone who said, we're in lockdown. I'm like, no. Okay, so it's Crowea flower essence. Crowea is for calming things down. It's the equivalent of a 14 muscle balance, so it helps to recenter, central and governing, because they're both on the midline, and then the other 12 meridians on both sides simultaneously. So this helps to actually, one of the things to double check that is this switching over the heart anti-clockwise. So I'll just check that. Okay. Third, second stage stress, second stage stress. So there's a bit of switching going on that's messing with the ability of all the chakras just to, of the meridians just to flow easily. Six drops of Crowea. And 6 drops is a fairly decent dose. 999, 999, 999. Okay, still a little bit of escape. I'll check that celestial circuit in a sec. See whether it's come back into its own, or whether we need something else. Actually, yes, obviously at the moment I don't trust politicians, so let me just do trust and trust issues. Yeah, so there's the pain and punishment is in relation to trust. So just get that pulsing. I choose to trust. I choose to trust myself. I choose to trust my intuition. I choose to trust those who have earned it. I choose to let go of trust issues from the past. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Okay, going back into the celestial, into the corpus callosum. Trust and trust issues. No, that one's okay. Checking celestial circuit. No, that's back to balanced. Okay. So just see a little with your feet. So imagine like an energy traveling from your feet up through your skull and up to Father Sun. So from Father Sun down through your skull, back through your feet and into the earth. So Mother energy traveling up, Father energy coming down, Mother energy coming up, Father energy coming down. Well, I'm feeling better. Thanks everyone. Take care, and I hope the craziness isn't getting to you too much. Love you all. Bye.